Today I show you how I bake a curd cream cake. I baked a biscuit and I cut it in half, lengthwise, as you see here. And then I have two halves, which I use as the bottom for the curd cake. Then I measured butter, which should be soft, and I add sugar and vanilla flavor, all in a mixing bowl. And then I mix it all up so it's well combined. Then I divide 2 eggs and dissolve gelatin in some water. Then I add the 2 egg yolks to the mixing bowl and I measure up cream and whip it. And then I use the egg white and whip it. If you add a little bit of sugar, it stays firm much longer. And then I fold the egg white and the cream under the butter, sugar, vanilla mixture. I sped up this video, so don't have to watch too long, but just fold it under. Here's where I added the cream. So after you folded everything under properly, then you can add the curd and cream mixture on top of the cake. See, now I have 2 cakes. And I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and here you see the result.